Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have Teams access and the correct account. This avoids permission issues later. Next, open the calendar and choose New Meeting to start filling fields. Enter a clear title and set date plus start and end time so participants know commitment length. Add required attendees now to trigger invites and optional attendees if flexible. Once done, include a short agenda in the description so attendees understand why they should attend. You now refine the meeting by selecting Teams Meeting as the location. This inserts the join link automatically. Make sure to open meeting options to control lobby behavior, who can present, and whether attendees bypass the lobby. This prevents interruptions. Attach key files, links, or a form for per-work so everyone arrives prepared. Once attendees are added and options set, review time zones and recurrence if needed to avoid scheduling conflicts. You finalize by sending the invite and verifying attendee responses and correct time zones. That prevents no-shows. Start 5 minutes early to test audio, camera, and content sharing. Admit guests manually if lobby is enabled. If someone can't join, first ask them to try the same join link and confirm account or browser permissions, then suggest Teams restart or joining via the web app as a quick workaround. Make sure recording and note settings are ready before you begin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.